Hi guys, we are night flyers. As you see, it is nighttime. And tonight we're gonna teach you how to launch an airplane. Okay, we're also gonna do a hand catch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I can't see. So, Dad, how do you catch the plane?
Huh?
How do you catch the plane?
Oh, okay. We're gonna try it. We can't land on the grass today. The grass are too high. So basically, what you do is you glide the plane like this. The motor of the plane is now off. We're gonna let it fly. That's how you catch it. You turn the motor off before you grab onto the wing. Do it again.
What part of the plane did you get the plane from? Like, catch it.
Catch it on the wing. Right? That's how you catch it. One more. So you let it glide, you turn the motor off, and then you catch it. Right? Let's do it again. Don't do this at home, kids. What you call this? You lift it up. A cat, so we're gonna let it glide. This is now gliding. And then you glide it back. So you're gonna turn the motor off. Now you do it.
You think maybe I can try?
Sure.
Can I try?
Yeah. Wanna try it? Well, fly it or
I'll
catch it? Catch it? Okay. All right. We're gonna let it fly this way. I have okay. Go. Launch. And then we're gonna bring it back. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, this is a good one. Engine is off. Okay. Nice. Engine is off, so that's good.
Fun! I did it.
Wanna do it again?
Okay.
One more.
Flight mode launch.
Okay.
Flight mode.
Go. Oop. So up. Okay. There you go.
You want me to get it now?
Yeah. Engine is off. It's okay.
That's the G Flyer, people.
What can you say?
I did it. Get the G Flyer. It's a great plane. You can like keep this for like forever.
As long as you don't keep
break
crashing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
On launch. Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
Flight mode
Let go.
launch.
Okay. It's flight mode launch.
Mode cruise.
Go. There you go. Okay. At that height, I'm gonna turn the motor off right here.
Flight mode launch. Engine on.
Okay.
This can last you like 20 years.
Tell them how old this plane is.
It's it's 8 years
More than 8 years old.
old.
More than.
More than 8 years old.
It still flies, right?
Flies
Because we take care of
so
it.
smoothly.
Go.
Because you see other planes, they fly so wobbly and they just got
Of
it.
course.
And we had this for more than 8 years and it still flies very smooth.
Okay.
Got some,
But it's okay.
yeah.
Still flyable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, little scratches. But for 8 years, right?
More than 8 years.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Launch it again.
Flight mode launch. Flight mode cruise.
It's okay. Oh. No, you catch it? Want to catch it? So I'm gonna bring it here.
Engine on.
I'll turn it.
RSSI critical.
I turn the engine off. Okay.
Flight mode cruise. Engine
Okay, it's off. Engine is off. It's gliding now. You're a good catcher.
So fun to like just catch it. Hi guys. We are night flyers. As you see, it is nighttime. And tonight we're going to teach you how to launch an airplane. So you want to grab it by its body, because if you grab it by the tail, that's bad because the tail is very fragile. So you want to throw it straight, because if you throw it like down, it will like go up and it would like crash. Same thing if you
Okay.
go up. So let's do this. Gotta turn the motor on.
Okay.
We gotta go straight.
flight mode launch.
Nice.
Flight mode cruise.
Okay, ready?
So we're also gonna teach you how to catch an airplane.
Minutes.
Okay.
RSSI
Okay, it's off now.
engine on.
So you wanna catch it by the wing,
Mm-hmm.
and you wanna grab it very gently, and you wanna go with it. And you don't wanna grab it too hard because it could like make some scratches and dents here. So wanna go very lightly with it.
Good job.
And subscribe and turn on those notifications so you get notified every time we post something new. So now we're gonna launch it again.
Flight mode cruise.
Nice. Nice hand launch, Ryan. Okay, ready?
Left.
Right.
You wanna catch it by the wing. Because if you do the tail is very fragile. And you wanna grab it very lightly, and you wanna go like this.
Wanna launch it again? Okay, let's do it.
Flight mode cruise.
Ah!
Okay.
RSSI low.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Right above here. Okay. One more.
We're gonna launch it.
Look at me. Ready?
Flight mode cruise.
With this.
Yes. Okay, ready?
RSSI critical. Engine
Okay.
on.
Ready? It's on your right, okay? Nice.
And that is how you also catch an airplane.
Okay,
You wanna
launch.
grab it by the wing.
Wing, okay.
Flight mode launch. Flight mode cruise.
I can see it.
I can see.
Okay, we're also gonna do a hand catch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I can't see. Look at that side. Sorry.
Okay, we gotta do it again.
Okay. Oh, so close.
One more. Sorry. I got so distracted
It's not
because
fun, it's not-
left.
The grass is wet.
Okay, engine is off. It's gliding now.
Grab it very lightly.
On
and
your
we'll
right.
Go with the plane.
What happened? Okay, try it that way.
This way?
Yes.
Flight mode launch. Flight mode cruise.
Okay, gonna catch it?
RSSI critical.
I can't even see the plane now.
It's like that, I think.
Okay, it's too high, it's too high.
Flight mode cruise.
Okay, catch it this way. Okay, engine is off. Okay, it's turning.
Grab it very gently.
Yep. It's going towards you.
What a go!
Good. Nice.
Like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you get notified every time we post something new.